Hello guys, welcome back. So this video will be very helpful for you guys because a lot of you are very worried and concerned about how to book your hostels. What's the process for it? So in this video I'll be sharing each and every step with you guys so that you don't have any issues while booking the hostel. So before I proceed with the process and steps, the first two things which you should keep in mind before hostel booking is, firstly, whatever time is given to you for hostel booking. For example, our time was 11 o'clock in the morning. So if your time is 11 o'clock in the morning, sit 15 to 20 minutes prior to that time. Like sit at 10:45. You don't have to do anything during that time. Just be ready with your phone or laptop, whatever device you are going to use for hostel booking, and like enter all your prerequisites like the net id, the password, the captcha. I'll share that step later on, but do that. And the second thing would be, have a very good internet connection or wi-fi connection, because you can even miss a room or hostel just for like 1 second. So you have to be very fast during hostel booking. Okay, so let's start with the process. So the first thing would be, for hostel booking is, you require a net id. So don't be worried guys. I know you guys are very worried that you are not getting any official mails or your net ids, but before, like online, and I don't know about online enrollment, but before your hostel booking you'll definitely get your net id through your mail. Just keep checking that mail so that you don't miss any information. Okay, so you'll get your net ID definitely before hostel booking. So net ID is basically, for example, my name is Tamanna Singh, right? So my initial for Tamanna is T and for Singh is S. So my net ID would start with TS and then 4 random digits. It will be given by SRM. So that's your net ID. And with net ID, you attach the official mail of SRM, like @srm.edu.in. So that whole thing would become your official SRM mail ID for that 4 to 5 years of your course until you complete your graduation. So you have to use it through your whole college life. Okay. So that will be your SRM official mail ID, and that first thing would be your net ID, which you will be using to book your hostel, to log into SRM student portal. Once you get your net ID, second, you have to log into SRM student portal. Search SRM student portal in Google, get a link here, click on that link and an interface like this will appear. There you put your net ID, not the whole SRM mail, only the first two initials and the 4 digits, the net ID and then your password and then the captcha, and then you will enter the SRM student portal. So an interface like this will appear on your screen, and then you'll have 3 lines or dots this side. Okay, click there and then you'll get a lot of options. Like student portal is very important. You'll get all the informations through this, and there you will get an option called hostel booking. So click on that hostel booking. So you'll enter to a new interface. That interface will only appear on that given time. Okay, so you'll have two options. So the first would be, you'll have to choose what type of room you need, AC or non-AC. So you'll have to select that, AC or non-AC, and then you'll get the list of all the hostels which are available for AC or non-AC. If you choose non-AC, then if there's any particular hostel which doesn't have non-AC, it will not show in your list. Okay, so choose the type of room you want and then choose the hostel which you want. Then you will get all the room numbers that are available. Okay, for AC, if you want AC, they'll show the room numbers with AC, and if you want non-AC, they will show the room numbers without AC. This is the very important step, like the main step. You can't be slow here. Guys, don't wait for a specific room number, that I want this room number, I want this room number, I want this floor. Whatever first room number you get, just click on that, because this time you don't have M block also. So I think you have less number of hostels this time. So you will have to be faster this time. Whatever the first room number you get, just click on that. Don't wait for your specific room number, okay? You'll miss the hostel if you wait for your favorite room number or your favorite floor. Just click on the first room number and then click on the next or whatever option is given there. Click there. You will get the options for payment, okay? The mode of payment is you can do net banking or you can do it through your cards. And for payment, if you are using your card, keep the amount a little more than required. Whatever is your fees, just make sure that your card's limit is more than that, because some taxes are also included there, so more amount will be deducted from your card. So increase the limit. A lot of students miss their room because of this, because when you are booking the hostel and once you enter all the details and then at the end they show that the card limit is exceeding, so at that time you can't do anything because your whole time is wasted. So increase the limit of your card. And one more tip I would like to give you, have one backup card also. Like if one is not working, you can use another one. And then through net banking or card, you can complete your payment and book your room. And sometimes what happens is you selected a room and then you clicked on next. But while doing the payment, you have completed all the payment. At the end, they'll show that this book is already booked by someone. It happens a lot of times. It happened with me this year also, in second year also. So I got very late while booking the hostel. So that's why I'm saying don't wait for a specific room number. Just choose whatever room number you get, and like in 2 to 3 minutes, each and all the hostels will be booked. You will be amazed. So don't wait. Like you will hear from each and every students. Don't wait for any specific room number. Just book it. And while booking the hostel, you will get the option for laundry service also. So then itself you will have to select the laundry services if you need it for the whole year. So select it, and the fees for laundry is around 8,500 something. So select that and then complete your payment. And once you complete your payment, you'll get your room. You'll get your room number, and you can see that in that portal itself through hostel details. This is the whole process for hostel booking. It's also given in a PDF on the official website of SRM. I'll share the screenshot with you. So yeah, this was the whole process for hostel booking. And still, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below or text me on Insta. More important videos are coming for you guys, so stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye.